Whether planes or automobiles are your preferred means of transportation, when exploring the world with young kids, car seats are a must for safety. Travel car seats are a bit different than your typical car seats that may remain stationary in the car. Because you're going to be moving it around a lot, you really want to make sure you're comfortable with installing it, transporting it, and securing your child in the seat. There are many products available to choose from best travel car seats for babies, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel car seats for babies from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Eventflo Tribute LX Convertible Car Seat. The Eventflo Tribute LX convertible car seat is one of the best car seats to travel with because Eventflo has thought of pretty much everything when it comes to great car seats. Weighing just over 9 pounds, its size and the fact that it's so lightweight make it popular among parents. The car seat can hold rear-facing infants weighing between 5 and 30 pounds who are between 19 and 37, and a forward-facing toddler weighing between 22 and 40 pounds who is between 28 and 40. The seat even reclines when it's rear-facing. To ensure you can use the car seat as long as possible, there are 4 shoulder harness positions and 2 crotch buckle positions. This car seat includes a removable head pillow and an easy-off machine washable pad. Number 2. Chicco FIT 30 Infant Car Seat. Chicco prides itself on providing an infant car seat that's super easy to install accurately and securely. Well known as one of the best travel car seats, it's designed for infants between 4 and 30 pounds, who are up to 30. The car base has a recline sure leveling foot and 2 right bubble level indicators to help ensure the seat is at the correct angle. The head and body support are removable along with the canopy shade. For convenience, there's a 1-pull tightener on the 5-point harness, and for improved impact protection, the carrier shell is lined with EPS energy-absorbing foam. Weighing in at 17 pounds, the Chicco FIT 30 is sure to provide the support and protection you're looking for in a car seat. Number 3. Graco Contender 65 Convertible Car Seat. Designed to protect your baby until they're age 65 pounds or 49, Graco has created one of the best toddler car seats for travel. It can also protect your infant between 5 and 40 pounds, so it's a great convertible car seat option. This car seat is designed with a one-hand 8-position adjustable headrest to ensure the car seat is always the right fit for your child. The latch-equipped car seat means you can install it with your vehicle's seat belt or with the built-in latch system. Included is also a cup holder and a removable head and body support. Along with being engineered to meet and exceed safety standards, the Graco Contender 65 convertible car seat features energy-absorbing foam for effective impact energy management. With all the features it offers, you can't go wrong with this car seat. Number 4. Graco EXT and D2fit Convertible Car Seat. With extensive adjustable features, your child's comfort and safety are the priorities. The 4-position extension panel enables your child to have 5 of additional legroom when the car seat is rear-facing, and that's only the beginning. There's also a 6-position recline as well as a headrest that adjusts to 10 different positions. The car seat is designed for rear-facing infants between 5 and 40 pounds, and front-facing toddlers from 20 to 65 pounds. The height maximum is 49. The seat pad is plush and machine washable, making for a clean and comfortable ride. The car seat weighs just under 24 pounds, and has met or surpassed the necessary safety standards. Purchasing the Graco EXT and D2fit convertible car seat guarantees your child stays as comfortable and safe as possible. Number 5. Costco App 50 Convertible Car Seat. The Costco App 50 Convertible Car Seat is one of the best car seats for travel because it grows with your child. The car seat is ready as soon as your baby is 5 pounds, 19 height minimum, and it can stay with them until they become a 50-pound toddler, 43 height maximum. The 11-pound car seat offers side impact protection, 6 harness heights, and 3 buckle locations. It's latch-equipped and comes with a machine washable seat pad for easy cleanup. The aircraft-approved model is among the lightest car seats available, and the dual cup holders make it easy to travel with and keep your baby occupied. Make your next trip a breeze with the Costco App 50 Convertible Car Seat. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.